When the next huge DeFi bull run will be, and when the DeFi market will surpass its 2021 all-time high, has been talked about and argued for a while now. So will this take place in 2024 still, or maybe 2025, or perhaps not at all? Well, a report was released in August 2024 indicating when this might take place, which we'll be looking at in this video. So please do like the video and subscribe to the channel so I can continue to offer more content for you in future. Just a quick reminder, you can contact me if you're looking for crypto coaching. You can sign up for a free account with Coinly using the link in the description to this video, which is one of the best automated crypto tax platforms out there. If you're looking for more specific tax advice based on your personal circumstances, I've partnered with a leading crypto tax company in Miner, and I'll leave a link to contact them directly in the description to this video also. And finally, I've included a link to Trezor's website in the description for anyone looking for one of the best hardware wallets or cold storage that's out there, with 2 new models released recently in the Trezor Safe 3 and Trezor Safe 5. Just a reminder that nothing contained here is financial advice, and let's jump straight in and look at when the DeFi market might take off. Firstly, let's look at an overview of the DeFi market, because you can see here that the total value locked in DeFi reached $178 billion in December 2021 as an all-time high, according to DeFi Llama, followed by the large dip that continued from about May 2022 to October 2023 in the bear market, so well over a year. And you can see then a bit of a resurgence in 2024, reaching $109 billion in June of 2024, with a bit of a decline after this since then, currently standing at just $87 billion at the time of recording this video. So the question is if and when we'll see a new huge bull market for DeFi, and when this will reach a new all-time high in terms of total value locked and total market size. Because Steno Research, a firm based in Copenhagen that conducts research, provides data and analysis on macroeconomics, markets, assets and crypto, released a report on the 23rd of August 2024 indicating when they believe that DeFi will hit new all-time highs based on their research and data. And I'll include a link to this report in the description of the video if you want to check it out for yourself. But you may need a subscription with Steno to be able to view some of it. And I'll be adding a few more examples in this video than are contained in the report, just to give you a slightly bigger picture. But Steno Research highlighted interest rates as one of the most important factors in influencing DeFi's market size, and particularly US interest rates, given that prices in DeFi are mostly denominated in dollars, with Jerome Powell at the Fed saying that the time has come to begin lowering these in September 2024, which is positive for risk assets over time. And the report mentions the risk appetite of investors increasing into areas such as DeFi when interest rates are lower, looking at the first DeFi summer of 2020 to 2021 coming after the Federal Reserve had cut interest rates. And we can see this here because this is the decrease in interest rates in the US starting in July 2019, going down to just 0.05% by April 2020. So if interest rates reached a low point in April 2020, you can see here the increase of the DeFi market, with it reaching $1 billion for the first time in May 2020, just 1 month after interest rates had reached their lowest point, leading to huge growth after this in the DeFi space. Steno's report also mentions stablecoins as to why it's predicting a new all-time high for DeFi, because the market cap size of stablecoins has increased pretty much consistently since August 2023, as you can see here, with its total market cap reaching nearly $170 billion at the time of recording this video. So with the supply of stablecoins expanding and the stablecoin market cap excluding algorithmic stablecoins apparently reaching an all-time high, surpassing $168 billion recently that we just saw, signifying that an increasing amount of capital is in the market, possibly ready for the next DeFi surge. And let's look at a couple of examples of that, because PayPal's relatively new stablecoin, PYUSD, that was released in September 2023, has now surpassed $1 billion in market cap size, with it growing faster on Solana than it has on Ethereum recently. And you can see that market cap growth of PYUSD here from CoinGecko, surpassing $1 billion very recently, starting in September 2023. But as I mentioned Solana, we can also look at the large increase in liquid staking on this blockchain that's gone from about $150 million in 2023 all the way to around $4 billion now, with again the DeFi growth on Solana that you can see here in 2024, going from a market cap size of around $400 million in November 2023 to over $5.3 billion at the time of recording this video. And finally, let's look at the growth of USDT, obviously the stablecoin with the largest market cap. And you can see this has grown from about $4.3 billion in April 2020, reaching nearly $118 billion at the time of recording this video, with Tether announcing its plans recently for a new stablecoin that's pegged to the United Arab Emirates dirham rather than the US dollar, which it's launching in collaboration with UAE-based Phoenix Group and Green Acorn Investments. Moving on now, the report also mentions the growth of real-world assets, which are also positive for DeFi, such as tokenized stocks, bonds, and commodities, with giants like BlackRock, Goldman Sachs, Franklin Templeton, etc. investing in tokenized assets and setting up their own funds, with tokenized US Treasuries alone recently surpassing $2 billion in market cap size, just as an example, with you being able to see a mention of BlackRock's Biddle fund here that's been growing. And with MakerDAO apparently planning to invest $1 billion into this sector as well, along with BlackRock, Ondo Finance, etc. And MakerDAO has recently rebranded to Sky Protocol, by the way, with MKR becoming Sky or SKY and DAI becoming Sky Dollar or USDS. And finally, Steno Research's report highlights the reduction of fees on Ethereum, with this graph being a bit small, but basically showing the lower gas fees or transaction fees on the Ethereum blockchain since its move to proof of stake in 2022 and the more recent Dencun upgrade, with fees on Ethereum actually being the lowest that they've been in 5 years, with a 95% drop since March 2024, which saw a bit of a spike that was on the graph that we've just looked at, and that's when the Dencun upgrade actually took place. But coming back to DeFi, Ethereum is still the largest blockchain by some way, as you can see here, making up 56.76% of the DeFi market at the time of recording this video. So reduced fees on the largest blockchain makes decentralized finance more accessible and more affordable, which should encourage more growth in the space. And there are many other areas of DeFi that we could go into in this video, but Steno Research's report highlight 4 main reasons why it's predicting a large DeFi bull market and new all-time highs. And they were lower interest rates, the growth of stablecoins, the growth of real-world assets, and the reduction of fees on Ethereum. Because Steno Research put all of this together and predicts that total value locked across the DeFi ecosystem is expected to reach a new all-time high in the first half of 2025. But that ends this video looking at this recent DeFi report. And as always, I'd love to know what you think in the comments below about it. Do you agree with the report and see a new DeFi all-time high in the first half of 2025? Or do you see this coming earlier, perhaps still in 2024 even, or later, or perhaps not at all, and it won't get back up to the heights of 2021? And if you're interested in more of a tailored approach to your crypto education, and you think you'd benefit from having someone look over your shoulder and guide you on your journey, I do offer one-to-one coaching to those who have the desire and the means to educate themselves further. And there are links in the description where you can message me and book in a free video call to see if we'd be a good fit. There are also links to Coinly, Trezor, and to contact Miner in the description of the video also, as I mentioned at the start of this video. And if you found this content interesting, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it really does help. And have a great day.